Hey everyone, welcome to the WOD demo for Tuesday, May 26th for our post-Memorial Day Murph workout. I'm a two-parter today, and much of the class in the beginning is going to be spent on getting us loosened up and working away some of that soreness that we accumulated with all those push-ups and pull-ups and squats. And so the workout today is part A, is 5 sets of 10 of sumo deadlift, and I'm going to show you a couple of those. So whether you have a barbell or a kettlebell, we're going to set with a wide stance, set up with a neutral spine, and notice how my knees are right over my ankles. I'm going to pull my shoulder blades back, and I'm going to stand. If you don't have a very heavy weight today, you can do them slow like I'm showing you right now. But essentially, you're going to get 10 repetitions, and then you'll rest about 1.5 minutes between rounds. And we're going to do 5 sets of 10. And that will hopefully help us work through some of the soreness in the posterior chain, which will prepare us for the metabolic conditioning, which is a Tabata of ground to overheads with a plate. Rest a minute, a Tabata of sit-ups, rest a minute, and then a Tabata of up-downs. So a Tabata is 20 seconds of work, followed by 10 seconds of rest for max repetitions. Because many of us will have done Murph yesterday, it's okay to not necessarily push as hard as possible in this Tabata. The idea is to get moving today, work out some of that soreness. So again, we got 3 Tabatas. The first one is ground to overhead with the plate. Second one is sit-ups. And the third one is up-downs. And they're going to each be separated by 1 minute. So let me go through those movements. I'm going to show you ground to overhead with a single dumbbell. So I'm going to go from the ground, put that dumbbell up over my head, ground, up overhead. I'll back up so maybe you can see me better. Ground, all the way up overhead. And we're just going to make sure that when we go to the ground, the back is neutral. And you're going to do that for 20 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds. And you'll do that 8 times. The next movement is sit-ups. So we'll butterfly. They are not strict today. So you just need to sit all the way up and touch your toes. Sit up. We'll do that 8 times. And we'll rest a minute. And then lastly, we'll do the up-down, which is a burpee with no push-up. Thankfully, we're not going to do any push-ups today. So we'll drop down into plank. Stand up, jump, and clap. Drop down into plank. Stand up, jump, and clap. So that's the workout for today. We got 5 sets of 10 sumo deadlift to a moderate weight. And then we'll move into Tabata plate ground to overhead. Rest a minute. Tabata sit-up, rest a minute, and Tabata up-down. And like I said, we'll start class with a lot of warm-up and some thorough mobility work. So hope to see you there.